The MK Morse Company specializes in metal cutting saw blade applications. Our highest performing bimetal products are the Independence 2 and Independence EXS, which can be used for a multitude of different materials. Manufactured in Canton, Ohio, these are the steps to make our premium bimetal blades. The first step in making a bimetal band is to attach the tooth material to the backing steel. We use a laser welding process that melts the two strips together. We inspect every foot of material to ensure a quality weld joint between the backing steel and the teeth. After laser welding, we have to anneal the strip to soften the material for further processing and to avoid cracking the weld. We soak the material in an annealing furnace for up to 24 hours to prepare it for the next step. After annealing, we send the material through our rolling mill. This process smooths out the weld joint and thins the material to the correct thickness. After rolling, we take the material to our band mills where we cut the teeth into the strips. The tooth forms are different for Independence 2 and EXS, so we select the correct milling cutter for the product being made. Once we are finished cutting the teeth into the strips, we have to add the kerf to the blade. This is done through a process called setting, where we bend the teeth in a pattern from side to side. Using carbide inserts, we push the teeth a desired amount and monitor the process using automated inspection equipment. Now that the teeth are set, we need to harden the blades to be able to cut metal. This is done by running the material through a hardening furnace and then tempering the strip. The material exits the hardening furnace red hot before cooling down and coiling back up. We also blast the material and apply the product markings. The last step in producing a bandsaw blade is to cut the coil to the correct length. Each saw requires a different length blade, so make sure to double check before ordering. Once cut, we add the weld by melting the two ends together. Once the weld is cleaned up, we apply tooth protection and place the band in a box. For tips on how to uncoil or unfold the saw blades, please see our other tech tips available on our channel. Thanks for watching How It's Made Independence Edition. Follow our channel for similar videos for other products we produce.